How to sign up for a USPS account, a step-by-step guide. Presented by Ship&Track. Creating a USPS account is fairly simple and easy to follow. Let's go to the official USPS website and click Register/Sign In. And then click Sign Up Now. USPS requires a business account to access their APIs, so choose Business Account and continue. Please input your business email address. If you don't have one, feel free to use your personal email instead. Pick a good username and password. Select any 2 security questions from the list and type in your answers. Next, fill in your full name, email, and phone number. You can skip the mobile number if you prefer. The indicated boxes may be pre-selected by default. Enter your company name and a physical or mailing address. Please note that USPS requires address verification before you can proceed. After verification of your company details, click Create Account to begin setting up your business customer onboarding portal. In Business Customer Onboarding Portal, you will be setting up to access USPS API keys. Please choose USPS APIs on the upper right corner and click Select to continue. Please ensure the designated box is selected to accept the USPS terms before continuing. Next, you can choose the number of shipping locations, but since you can add more later, so for now, select one and click Continue. USPS requires enrollment in USPS returns, so Yes is pre-selected by default. And for a more efficient and streamlined setup, we recommend selecting No for separate return payment accounts. Your USPS business account is now successfully registered. Please ensure your API credentials are stored securely for use in Ship&Track account settings. Please be advised that the outbound mailer identifier number is different from the return mailer identifier number. When you accept the terms and conditions by checking the box, the system will automatically proceed to the next step. Please select Credit Card or ACH Debit as your payment method. You can update or add additional payment methods later. For this tutorial, choose Credit Card and click Continue to enter your payment details. Enter your credit card or debit card information along with the associated billing address. Check the Terms and Conditions box. It is essential that you do not close this browser window, or click the back button, or click the Save Card button multiple times. Once all information is entered, click Save Card just once to proceed. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the API setup for your business account. Please note that your customer registration ID and enterprise payment system number are the same for both outbound and return. However, because the USPS system processes them separately, their mailer identifier numbers are different. Please take a moment to review and verify all your information. You can now use your USPS account with Ship&Track and start enjoying all the benefits Ship&Track has to offer. Thanks for watching.